Hey there everybody. This video is going to show you how to create your interactive notebook page for the real number system. So what you should have in front of you is a sheet of blank white paper, and then you should have the handout that you see here on the screen that says real number system. And we're going to cut out the pieces, and then I'm going to help you place them on the blank paper so that you can create your interactive notebook page. So you're going to pause the video, and what I want you to do is go ahead and cut out the pieces. So you're cutting around each of the bold black lines, and when you get done, come back, start the video again, and we'll show you the pieces and make sure you have everything you need. Okay, so here are the pieces as they are all cut out. So you can see that you have a title up here at the top of your page. Okay, real number system. You have a number line, and then you have 4 boxes labeled rational and irrational, integers, natural, and whole numbers. There are some glue tabs here for those, so we're going to be putting those on your notebook page here in just a moment. And then you also have the types of numbers, which is going to be where we fill in some blanks to talk about the different types of numbers in the real number system. So what I want you to do now is grab your blank sheet of paper, and I'm going to show you how to attach these parts and where they go. All right, so here's what my paper looks like as I've got the title, the number line, the types of numbers, and then the biggest of those 4 boxes, the one that says rational and irrational. And you'll notice that underneath the word rational, there is a bar that says glue. So what we're going to be doing is stacking those other 3 boxes that you cut out that say integers, natural, and whole numbers. We're going to be gluing those in kind of a layered format on top of the left side of that rational box that you see there. So pause the video if you need to, make sure that your paper looks like mine, and then you'll be ready to go. Attach the next smaller box that says integers on it by placing glue on the underneath the word rational where the glue tab is, and then place the word integers on top of that glue, and you should be able to lift up that flap still. Okay, the integers flap should still lift, although it should be attached. And the next thing I want you to attach is the one that says whole. Okay, again, put glue underneath the word integers where you have the glue strip, and attach that next box. So we have 3 of the 4 layers attached inside that rational, irrational box, and the last layer, of course, is the word natural. Put the glue on the glue strip below the word whole, and then you're just going to attach the smallest of the boxes that says natural on top of that glue strip. So you should have 3 tabs then that are able to be picked up and lifted carefully off of the left side underneath the word rational when you're all finished. Excellent, and here's what your finished product should look like, and then you'll be ready to discuss in class.